Welcome everyone. I am Mohammad Masud Akhtar, representing the Department of Education and working as a member of the Expert Committee on School Education, Government of West Bengal. Respected teachers, today we are going to discuss about the general guidelines on the bridge material. Today's session is for the subject history of classes 6, 7 and 8. Dear teachers, you all are aware that due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, our schools were closed for the students. Classes has been suspended for more than 1.5 years, and normal teaching learning process was affected badly. As a result, there will be some learning gaps, there could be some deficiencies. To overcome these problems and to minimize these learning gaps, Department of Education has taken numbers of initiatives such as model activity task, Durabhashe Shiksha, video uploading in Banglar Shiksha portal and so on. Bridge material is the latest addition in this list. The bridge material will act as an accelerated learning package for the students. This material will help to minimize the learning gaps created due to the prolonged absence in the school during the pandemic times. The bridge materials will be used for all the students at least over a period of 100 days. The bridge material intends to focus on the subject wise very necessary expected learning outcome of previous 2 sessions. The bridge materials are not stand-alone learning materials and should be used in syllabi specific contents. You could find several approaches there. This bridge material is based on the expected learning outcomes of the previous 2 sessions. In the bridge material of class 6, contents are taken from class 4 and class 5. Syllabi of class 4 and 5 are based on ancient Indian history and modern Indian history. Topics like use of stone, use of metal, paintings of the past, architecture, sculpture, monument, river valley civilization. These topics are taken as bridge contents, and environment and history, history and geography. These topics are taken as fundamental study contents. The bridge material for class 7, topics are taken from class 5 and class 6. Syllabi of class 5 and class 6 are based on modern Indian history and ancient Indian history. Topics like sources of the history, Vedic civilization, economy and society, new religious movements. These topics are taken as fundamental study contents. For the bridge material of class 8, contents are taken from class 6 and class 7. Syllabi of class 6 and 7 are based on ancient Indian history and medieval Indian history. Topics like from nomads to settled life, Delhi Sultanate, the Vijayanagar kingdom, Mughal dynasty. These topics are taken here as fundamental study contents. You will find different types of questions there after each and every topic. This will helps to evaluate the students. That's all for today's session. Thank you.